10 Common Resume Mistakes to Avoid in 2025 for Job Seeking Success. One of the most critical errors is spelling and grammar mistakes, which immediately signal a lack of attention to detail and professionalism. Next, many candidates make the mistake of using generic content instead of tailoring their resumes to each specific job, which makes them blend into the crowd rather than stand out. Another common issue is poor formatting and design, where cluttered layouts, inconsistent fonts, and hard-to-read structures turn off recruiters who scan resumes in seconds. Failing to include relevant keywords is another major misstep, as many companies use applicant tracking systems ATS to filter resumes, and missing these terms can result in automatic rejection. Additionally, a lack of customization where a candidate submits the same resume for multiple roles without adjusting it for different job requirements can make employers question their genuine interest in the position. Candidates also weaken their resumes by not quantifying achievements, as vague statements like "led a team" or "increase sales" lack impact without numbers or measurable results. Overusing buzzwords and cliches such as team player, hardworking, or innovative can make a resume sound insincere and unoriginal, diminishing its effectiveness. Unexplained employment gaps raise red flags. Briefly clarify with freelance, projects, or development details. Neglecting ATS optimization can lead to automatic application rejection. An outdated, cluttered resume can cost you the job opportunity. Focus on clarity, customization, and professionalism to improve interview chances and secure desired roles.